Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. Today I am going to show you best sites that pay you $50 via PayPal over and over again. These are simple to use websites. You can easily use these websites from your home. Before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, different digital marketing concepts and how to become an entrepreneur. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel and make sure to click the like button if you like this video. Let's move to the today's topic, that is the best sites that pay you $50 via PayPal over and over again. These are the sites. The first one in my list is User Testing, and User Testing is actually a very popular site. Actually, different businesses come to the User Testing and they wanted to test their websites or apps from different people, and we and other people like us who have joined these sites like User Testing, they will test those websites and app, and they will identify the bugs and broken links and other things to help them, those businesses, to make their websites and apps better. If you just move to the website, that is www.usertesting.com, you can see a page like this, and if you just move downward, you can see that there are a lot of popular brands who are working with the user testing like Adobe, eBay, Facebook, P&G, Wayfair, JetBlue, Prudential, Institute and SAP. There are other popular brands out there who are also working with the user testing, and they just want to know that what if there are any bugs or any broken links or something like that in their website or in their apps, and they wanted to improve their websites or apps user experience. And the only way they can identify those weaknesses, they can hire people or they can contact the sites like User Testing, which have already thousands of people they have in their list. And if you just click to the get paid to test, you will see a screen like this, and there you are seeing that earn up to the $60 per post per test. Visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks speaking your thoughts out loud, and get paid. And just provide your email address and click on sign me up, and I have read and agree with the terms and conditions. You are good to go. How it works: get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. User Testing pays you to visit websites or app, complete a set of tasks and speak your thoughts aloud. You need a microphone, and once you have installed your microphone and after creating your account with the User Testing, they will just give you a sample test, and once you complete those tests, you are good to go to start this platform. All you need is to find the active test and just click on one by one and open up that test, and that test will provide you a website or an app, and all you need is to visit those websites and app for 20 minutes, and you have to speak out about their websites and the apps. And your task is to identify the weaknesses, your task is to identify the bugs and broken links and something like that. And once you're completed with the 20-minute video, you just click the submit report, and after verification and after confirmation of your work, you will earn a $10 via PayPal. Just you are looking that these websites are also featured on the New York Times, Huffington Post, Lifehacker, the Wall Street Journal. And what do I need to get started? A PC or a Mac, an internet connection and a microphone. That's all. You will need an iPhone, iPad, Android phone or Android tablet if you would like to take mobile tests. Ability to download our testing software, you must be at least 18 years old. Ability to speak your thoughts aloud in English. How much money I can make? While user testing is a great way to earn a few extra dollars on the side, it wouldn't make you rich. The number of opportunities you receive will depend on a number of factors, such as your demographics and your quality rating. How do I get paid? We pay our testers via PayPal. You must have a PayPal account and live in the country that can receive PayPal money transfers. You will receive your payment exactly 7 days after completing a website or a app test. So if you are residing in a country which accepts PayPal, then definitely you can work on user testing. And PayPal are generally available on the major parts of the world. These countries can participate: Africa, Middle East, India, Asia Pacific, Europe, Latin America, and the Caribbean, United States, and the Canada. And this is some very legit site out there, and there are a lot of people who are making money with the user testing. Now let's move to our second websites, that is the test.io. Similar to the user testing, test.io will also provide you different tests in the form of websites or in the form of the apps. And what you need to do, you need to again look for, there are bugs, there are other things in the websites or app. Thorough testing is indispensable to ensure that your websites and app work properly on all devices. With test.io, you avoid the risk of giving your users a bad user experience. So this is just a communication with the business owners, and in order to avoid the bad user experience, those businesses will come to the test.io, and test.io will hire people like us who can talk about website issues or the apps, and this helps those businesses to improve their their website or their app. Again, this website works on the same manner just like user testing, and you can involve in the regression testing, functional testing, beta testing, black box testing, website testing, mobile testing, and lot of other testings out there. If you wanted to become a tester, just move to the become a tester, and you are now seeing that earn good money, earn up to the $50 for every issue you find. Cannot find any bugs, no problem, you can be paid. You can also be paid for rating apps. Work from home, you can do this from your home, test the latest apps. Moreover, be the first one to see the latest apps from the top companies and cool startups. Here are the 4 steps. Just register your account, start your first test, receive your first payout, get more invitations, and become a testing king. And how much can I earn? Most tests pay by the bug. You earn more money for more critical bugs, up to $50 for the most important bugs. You can also earn guaranteed money by reviewing apps or completed scripted test cases. For major bugs, you can earn up to the $50, while for the smaller bugs, you can expect to earn $3, $5, depending upon the bug and the situation you are dealing with. Again, very legit website. And now let's move to the third website, that is Enroll app. Just like the previous 2 apps, Enroll app works with a similar fashion, and Enroll lets you take quick tests to help make the web a better place for everyone. Help companies decide which logo is better, clarify content, or simply complete tasks on a website or app to ensure the interaction makes sense. Anyone can do it. Just provide your email address, password, and get yourself enrolled in the Enroll app. Be the first, take test anywhere, addicted to your phone or tablet. Fear not, you can take user test on any device, phones, tablets, desktop, whatever you prefer. And you can earn money in the form of the rewards, or you can just withdraw your money via PayPal. There are over 443,000 testers tests taken so far, and if you just move to the check out the sample test, you can just fill out or look at the sample test to get to know about how this tests work. Welcome to the sample test. In a couple you are asked, let's begin. Click on where you might get some inspiration for upcoming trips. The question will contain 1 image. Begin the question. Click on where you might get some inspiration for upcoming trips. So I just click on deals. Continue. What does this page makes you feel? select up to the 3, begin this question, and you can just look at the page and you can select. Let's first look at the page and then select joy, trust, and anticipation. So just click on continue. Why do you feel this way? And just write your few lines like I am feeling more trust in a website as it looks professional and offers better user experience. So just click on continue and tell us little about yourself. Gender male, age 25 to a year, postgraduate, income, distance, and complete test. So that's all. You have completed your test and very easy to do. Now let's move to another website, that is Testing Time. Similar to the previous 3 websites, Testing Time is works on the same fashion, but the only difference with the rest of websites are that they will provide you tests via Skype, and once your tests are available they will contact you, and through a Skype session you have to give your tests. Just provide the feedback on different apps and websites and you are good to go. But this website is generally available for the people of European countries, and these are the process: recruitment, briefing, scheduling, payment, and tracking. If you are reside in a country like Germany and other countries like Switzerland, and so Testing Time would be great for you to earn some extra income. If you wanted to get the more information, you can read their FAQ section. And I hope you like this video, and if you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.